Mac from Northway Ford and Lincoln here, out in this windy February the 27th in Brantford, Ontario. We might have a tornado coming in. Who knows? Who knows? It feels that way. We definitely don't, but it feels that way. Anyway, so here I am with a 2019 F-150 Super Cab. I come out in this stormy weather because I gotta show you this F-150. This is a 2019 XLT 301A equipment group package with a sport package on it. That's why you're seeing zero chrome on it. Big 20s, running boards, nice build, and superior discounts, that's for sure. This thing's huge, but what not a lot of people will notice, but when you're in person, you definitely notice. This thing's got a leveling kit. 2.5 inches in the front. Kind of notice that the truck is more or less flat, like it's equal. A lot of times, if we compare with this one right over here, it's bigger in the back, you know, much bigger. And it kind of slopes down, okay? Less wheel gap when you're on this one. Basically a lift in the front. Makes for a very clean look. If you like being up high and you don't want to spend a couple $1,000 to do a kit, level kit is great. Evens out the front with the rear, and on the F-150 looks absolutely gorgeous. And this is in magnetic. Come down, Northway Ford and Lincoln, come get these superior discounts. Come get these super cabs, because they are the very best price that I've ever seen on a super cab. Not to mention the lariats. Oh gosh, if you want a lariat, come see me. Come see me. Mac at Northway Ford and Lincoln, 388 King George Road in Brantford, 519-753-8691. That's where the deals are. Come get them. Come see Mac.